Graves. I am operations support for Urquhart Furniture. Urquhart as a company was founded back in the 1920s by Lucian Urquhart, and we've sort of grown continuously from them. The factory we're in now is 160,000 square feet. It is a purpose-built factory. We currently have approximately 94 people working on the shop floor. In total, including the offices and all the support, we're around about 140 people. Our direct customers will be furniture retailers. We sell direct to people like John Lewis and Furniture Village, two of our big customers. On an average week, we would make approximately 300 individual orders. AlphaCam will help us to produce components such as tabletops, door assemblies, assembled seat frames, Windsor chair rails. We are looking to use AlphaCam on somewhere around about 90% of our individual products.
My name's Kevin Dover, I'm a CNC programmer. I found AlphaCam quite easy to use. I had all the training. It's very simple to use for both machines. It's the same structure.
The use of AlphaCam does enable us to assemble parts to a very fine tolerance, and that does make the assembly of the components for the assembly people extremely simple. We currently have a range of CNC machines manufactured by CMS. The two main routers we're using from CMS are the CMS Aries and the CMS Pro Evolution 2. At the moment, the Pro Evolution machine is the only one we have in this country. It is based upon a rail and module system. When we were looking at investing in the Aries machine, we needed a software that could drive 5-axis and work with us reasonably well. We looked at AlphaCam and we liked what we saw with AlphaCam, the technology, the determination. When we brought the machine, we worked very closely with AlphaCam to create the post-processor and also the machine simulation software that goes with it as well. And it was that process that was entirely set up through AlphaCam prior to us using it that enabled us to then go on there and drive the machine.
I'm Kieran Gunn, I'm a CNC programmer and I write programs for the Pro Evolution using AlphaCam. AlphaCam is quite easy to pick up. Once you figured out the features and ways to do things, it was very straightforward to get what you want from it and work out how to do things.
I like my role at the moment. I like using AlphaCam, I like what I do, and it's always something new, it's always a new challenge.
The biggest challenge we're going to have in the future is obviously the reaction to the customer. We've found over the past few years that the reaction to the customer, what they want, the lead time is shortening and shortening. Using AlphaCam and the machinery enables us to respond much quicker to that. We found that AlphaCam is providing us not only with up to somewhere around about 20 or 30% time savings, but we found the accuracy of the machining and the ability to machine that correctly the first time is a great benefit. And that's helped us to reduce waste, helped us to reduce on set-up components, and as I said, it's made the assembly process a lot simpler and a lot more accurate as well.